More economical, a higher quality finish, and more convenient than ever before. Meet the dryer that does everything better from Panasonic. It uses up to 60% less energy than required for Class A, the industry's top-class energy-saving rating, so it will cost you less to run. This outstanding efficiency is made possible by a combination of two original technologies. Heat pump technology saves energy because a heater is not needed, and the inverter can adjust the temperature as required. The inverter also contributes to high drying performance. Gentle Dry dries at 45 degrees centigrade, the ideal setting for delicate fabrics such as lingerie, sportswear, and wool. Speed Mode, the ideal setting for saving time. You can dry more than 25 minutes faster than normal mode. It's one of the fastest in the 8 kilogram heat pump dryer category. Enabling what wasn't previously possible, a Panasonic dryer makes your life more comfortable. Designed for your lifestyle, Panasonic Inverter Heat Pump Tumble Dryer.
Panasonic, ideas for life.